Rana అయిపోయినా but thank you Rana so much for being here again for us. ముందు నుంచి సందీప్ ఏదో తెలుగులో మాట్లాడినారు నాకు పూర్తిగా అర్థం కాలేదు కానీ I think I understood the gist of it, but he has been that knight in white for us and he's in white today also. ప్రశాంత్ గారు మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం మా దగ్గరికి వచ్చి ఇట్లాగా స్టోరీ చెప్పిన తర్వాత అశోక్ has really liked the story a lot and wanted to do it with you. At that time honestly మీరు అంటే నాకు సినిమా ఫీల్తో అంత పరిచయం లేదు, మీరు అదే ఫస్ట్ టైం పేరినింది చూసింది. But after that, following your career, seeing what you've been doing, we've been very happy to see the success of Hanuman, and the sequel I'm sure is going to be equally if not exceeding the original. And being part of that line of thinking for our film makes us very proud, and thank you for giving us that opportunity. And as far as the producer Bala and director Arjun, I think we've been working with you now for more than a year, and ante na paatra chaana takku gaani I've been following how you've been struggling with various challenges and how you've been overcoming those challenges, and I think you've done a great job. There were some times when I was nervous, to be honest, but I think you overcame all of those things, and from what I hear, it's an excellent product and we're really looking forward to it. Ashok second cinema idi, first cinema emo COVID time lo vachi koncham problem unindi gaani it got very good critical acclaim, and Ashok performance in the first film also, I felt at least as a father it was very good. But in this film, from what I can tell, he's taken it to another level, as everyone is saying, and I'm really looking forward to watching the full story. And congratulations to the two stars, Ashok and Manasa, and wishing you both the very best, hoping this film will take you to new heights, and good luck to all cast and crew of this film. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.